Power yoga. We're going to go for about an hour today. If you have a yoga block, you may want to use your yoga block today. If you don't have your yoga block, don't worry, it is not a deal breaker. Before we begin, I just want to go over one thing that's going to help a lot during practice today. It's called retracting your skull. I'm going to turn sideways. If I push my face forward, that is protraction. This is text neck, from leaning forward, texting so much. It's called an anterior head carriage, etc. We want the opposite. Pull your face straight back. It's called retraction. When you retract your skull, hopefully you start to feel your neck muscles, your extensors. You'll feel your extensors. You might feel up into your mid-back. It's unlikely it'll go too far down into the deep lower part of the spine, but definitely near your skull and between your shoulder blades. Here's where the retraction kicks in. It's during the push-up phases of the practice. Hang in there with me for 1 second, and then we'll get into it, I promise. I just want to show you this. When we get into our high push-up position, it's important to retract your skull. Don't let your skull hang. Pull your skull back. In particular, when you lower down. A lot of times when people lower down, they disengage their head, disengage their ribs, and kind of fall to the ground. Engage your skull, engage your torso, lower down in one piece. That's a big time opportunity to practice retracting your skull.